Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profits. So today, I am bringing a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Raw Cash. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Raw Cash, the world first decentralized payment money and innovative global community network for financial freedom and independence. Highest fixed APY 1460.04% per year. The best ecosystem money with automatic rewards in the wallet that accrues interest to holders for each transaction. And as you can scroll down and see the just buy and store raw and get rewards. Relax and enjoy the process together. We are building your future. So guys, you can buy raw now. So guys, you can click this button and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is open. You can buy raw now on PancakeSwap or Finance. So first of all, you can connect your wallets. You can click here and connect following wallet: MetaMask, Trust Wallet, OKX Wallet, Binance Wallet, Coinbase Wallet. So guys, you can select any wallet. Then you can select network. You can click here and select network: BNB chain, Ethereum, Polygon, or Bitcoin. So I select BNB chain. Then you can enter your BNB amount. For example, I enter BNB amount 100. Then you can receive raw token. Now you can check here if you want to swap raw to BNB. Then you can click here and enter your raw amount. Then you can buy a BNB. Now you can check here and next be back to the home page and see these small details. Next guys, you can go to this project documents. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. It take time. Then you can see this page is open. Now you can check here documents of Raw Cash. Raw Cash Review, Raw Cash, Big House and Financial Freedom. Raw Cash is the world first decentralized payment money and innovative global community network for financial freedom and independence in our daily lives. Built on the Binance Smart Chain BEP20 with an extremely fast 3-second block time and cheaper gas fees than Ethereum. Designed to distribute money transfer and payments around the world with automatic money making in your wallet. You can check here detail about this project. Raw, you can read carefully. You can see this. You can check here basic functionality in our ecosystem. Number 1, automatic interest accrual in your wallet. Number 2, automatic LP. Number 3, insurance treasury. You can check here. Number 4, auto hyperburn. Number 5, low online commission. Number 6, zero raw wallet. Number 7, charity wallet. Number 8, internal raw bank. Number 9, automatic mining. Number 10, news portal. You can read carefully. Number 11, NFT platform for buying and selling. Number 11, 12, raw cash card. Number 13, construction businesses. You can check here all overview about this project. And next you can check here, do you want to be a millionaire, how to buy raw, do you want to a Tesla 3 model, how much can I make with raw cash, evaluate your profits, information, partner bloggers from YouTube, competitive advantage, the innovative ecosystem, automatic accrual of interest in the wallet. You can check here detail. You can read it carefully and next back to the home page and see these small details. So guys, you can scroll down and see this raw cash released on Binance Smart Chain BEP20. You can check here token issued amount, security edit, solid proof, cyber scope. So we go to solid proof. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here solid proof page is open. Raw cash info. You can check here detail about this project, test trustnet score, real-time 3A detection, trustnet data pulse. You can check here chart and essential. You can see this price 0.0000029, volume price, market cap price, liquidity. You can check here security assessment, contract address, network, BNB Smart Chain, compiler, license, type, language, solidity. You can check here summary and final words. You can read carefully detail. You can check here finding and editing result. You can check here and next we back to the home page. And next guy, you can check here evaluate your profits, enter the amount of investment you plan to make. You can enter your amount, then you can get profit now, duration of contribution 1 month, 6 months. So guys, you can check here 1 year, so you can select any and then you can click this and make a deposit now, then you can get profit now. You can check here contact address, you can copy this contact address, then you can buy now. You can check here buy tax 8%, sale tax 8%. You can go to see this project raw cash in DEX tools, Pocoin, OKX, Bitstore, BSC, UNCX network. And next guys, you can check here the price chart of this project raw with USDT pair. You can check here, you can see this powered by Geeko terminal. You can check here price in up and down, so guys you can get huge profit now. And next guy, you can check here raw cash cryptocurrency company presentation. So guys, you can watch this video on YouTube. And next we discuss about raw cash. Corrected the APY rate 1460.04 per percent. Open the app. You can check here raw cash, the world first smart hyper differentiated decentralized digital cryptocurrency with a sustainable and innovative ecosystem for financial freedom and independence. It will allow you to make instant payment and transfer anywhere in the world in seconds with a focus on security, stability, and innovation. You can check here RTA. Next class, you can buy raw on following exchanges: PancakeSwap, Bitstore, OKX, AVE, Pocoin, DEX tools, Geeko terminal, DEX screener. So guys, you can buy now on following exchanges: CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DexView, Blogspot.io. You can check here. And next guys, you can check here informational partners. Informational partner: BSC Scan, CoinRanking, BitGet Wallet, Token Insight, Bluffin, Crypto Market Cap, QuickShock, New Token Market. You can check here all is the informational partner. And next you can check here competitive advantage. Competitive advantage, you can check here raw cash APY. You can see this Bitcoin 0%, Baby Dog 0%. Generate income without using raw cash. Yes, Bitcoin no, Baby Dog no. You can check an automatic burning of 1% of each transaction, raw cash, hyper differentially, Bitcoin, no information token, and baby doggy, partial differentially. You can check here RTail and Nesca. You can check here innovation ecosystems, a global network for millions of people around the world. You can check here cryptocurrency raw cash. You can check here automatic LP, automatic accrual of interest, invalid, insurance strategy, auto hyper burn. You can check here low commission in the network, zero valid raw. You can check here, you can buy and sell now on PancakeSwap. We discuss this how to buy. You can check here our details, and next you can check here advantage of raw cash. Minimization of risk, earn money while you sleep, charity wallet, total security, your assets, money for a better life, reinvest in your future, raw bank, automatic mining, news portal, construction businesses, buy the asset with the raw cash card, subscription pro. You can check here all detail. And next you can check here tokenomics team 5%, insurance treasury 5%, LP liquidity 15%, 35%, zero wallet, 40% investment and ICO. And next you can scroll down and see the contract address of this project. And next we discuss roadmap. Roadmap phase 1 2023, launching a website, pre-sale tokens on the PingSafe platform, pre-start marketing, internal edits of the contract, start of the first stage of ICO. You can check here phase 2 2024, raw cash wallet development, creating a multifungial text document, development of raw bank, listing on ava.ai. You can check here retail 2025 phase 3, listing on Bybit web3, listing on gate.io web3, partnership with quickshock.io, price raw $0.0005, marketing on YouTube. You can check here retail. And next you can check here what a Tesla 3 model. At a market cap, you can check here Tesla 3 model detail, how to buy raw token. Number 1, download MetaMask or Trust Wallet on your computers or Android or ISO smartphone. Number 2, buy BNB or Binance and other exchanges and send BNB to your MetaMask wallet or Trust Wallet. Number 3, go to PancakeSwap. You can check here, we discuss how to buy. And next you can check here world exchanging. You can check here you can check here our prospect and upcoming plans coming soon, NFT platform, raw cash wallet, Crypto news, you can check latest comments about this project Raw Cash. And next we go to news of this project Raw Cash. So you can see this hot news, a new listing of Raw Cash on Bitstoy Finance, new listing Raw Cash on coinranking.com. You can check here hot news about this project. You can check here all crypto news about this project Raw Cash. You can check here. And next we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. You can check here our teams, all is created Tatina Graphy. You can check here all is the team member of this project. Guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, GitHub. So we go to this project official Twitter page. Guys, you can see this Raw Cash after Twitter page is open. You can follow here and get information about this project. You can check here airdrop detail. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, we go to this project Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here Raw Cash Telegram group chat community is open. 25 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next we back to the home page. And next guy, you can see that you can contact us for support at the rate raw.cash for partners at the rate gmail.com. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.